Hello students, welcome to channel Maths Mint by Kamlesh. Today I am going to solve for class 11 Maths exercise 3.3 question number 15 from NCERT book. Chapter is trigonometric functions. I hope you will please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks. Question is proof that cot 4x into sin 5x plus sin 3x equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. In this question we find that LHS and in RHS the terms are very similar, cot 4x and cot x. This is sin A plus sin B, this is sin A minus sin B. So in such type of question when LHS and RHS are of equal length, first of all we shall solve up to the last point, and thereafter if it is not going ahead then we shall take RHS, and after solution of RHS to the last point we shall tally the LHS and RHS. So we see first here LHS equal to cot 4x sin 5x plus sin 3x. So this is sin A plus sin B. We shall write here by using identity sin A plus sin B equals to 2 sin A plus B by 2 into cos A minus B by 2. Right? Let here A equal to 5x, B equal to 3x. Let here A is equal to 5x and B is equal to 3x. Then LHS equal to cot 4x and sin A plus sin B will be on this identity. It will be 2 into sin A is 5x, B is 3x by 2 cos A is 5x minus B is 3x by 2. Right? So it will be cot 4x into 2 sin 8x 5 plus 3x 5x plus 3x 8x by 2 into cos 5x minus 3x is equal to 2x by 2. So it will be cot 4x into 2 sin 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4. So it will be 4x, and it will be 2 divided by 2 will be 1 into x is equal to x, it will be cos x. Here we should not commit this mistake that this 2 should not be cancelled by this, because this is 2 is dividing the angles and this 2 is for the function, so we should not cut this 2 and this 2 is we should keep in mind. Right? So now cot 4x will be cos, identity is cos is equal to cos by sin, cot A is equal to cos A by sin A. So here cos 4x by sin 4x into 2 sin 4x into cos x. 4 sin 4x will be cancelled. So it will be 2 cos 4x into cos x, and up to this we have solved this LHS, and further there will be no any identity and it cannot go ahead, so we can take it as 1. Right? Again RHS equal to cot x into sin 5x minus sin 3x. Here we shall apply the identity sin A minus sin B by using identity sin A minus sin B equal to 2 cos A plus B by 2 into sin A minus B by 2. Okay, this identity will be applicable on this expression. So here let A equal to 5x, B is equal to 3x. Then RHS will be equal to cot x, this cot x, and this sin x minus sin A minus sin B, or sin x minus sin y, anything you can say. So 2 cos A equals to 5x, B equal to 3x by 2 into sin A is equal to 5x, B is equal to minus 3x by 2. It will be cot x, here 2 cos 5x plus 3x will be 8x by 2 into sin 5x minus 3x will be 2x by 2. It is also like the which we have already solved above. So it will be cot x will be 2 cos 8 divided by 2, 4x into 2 divided by 2 will be 1, 1 into x will be x. So it will be sin x. Right? Now we shall write cot x as cos x by sin x. This is identity into 2 cos 4x into sin x. Right? This sin x and this sin x will be cancelled. So it will be 2 cos 4x into cos x. It will be 2. Here we see 1 is also 2 cos 4x into cos x. 2 is also 2 cos 4x into cos x. So 1 and 2 will be equal. We shall write, since 1 equal to 2, 1 equal to 2, hence 1 equal to 2, hence LHS equal to RHS proved. Right? This is RHS, this is one number is LHS, both are equal, 1 and 2 are equal, hence LHS is equal to RHS proved. If you have any help from this video, please like, share and support this by subscribing it. If you have any doubt, write in comment box, I will answer it. Thanks.